So, is anyone else still walking around with this 100-day cough like?
I'm sick and tired of always being sick and tired.
And you go to the GP and they're just like,
My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go.
sinuses are just saying. And just when you think it's getting better, the cough is there like. And your nose is just.
Running, running, and running, running, and running, running, and running, running.
And the next thing you know, you're collapsed in a hospital with pneumonia and the staff are just like. Well, that particular part may have just been me, but this 100-day cough seems to be a. Is anyone else starting to regret the last time they were well, like?